Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're heading to Target. It is one of my favorite stores to coupon at, and if you've never couponed at Target, I think now is the time to really start because you're going to be able to get all digital deals just by using your phone. It makes it so easy. So, these deals at Target are going to run this week for April the 21st until April the 26th. And like I said, you're just using your phone to score. In addition to that, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. So no need to write any of these deals down. All you need to do is pull up the deals in from the link in the description box on your phone, and you're going to be able to score just like me. So always check your target circle before you get started. And this week I received a 10% off one store-wide purchase. So hopefully that will help me get my total down and save about $10 on this total order here. Now, sometimes we might get a spend 60, get a $15 gift card or whatever it may be, but always check your target circle for various offers that are geared just for you. And of course, you're going to need to activate those offers or apply them to your cart. So let me know in the comments what you guys received on your Target Circle app. First item we have are on the Airwick Advanced. Now, I will tell you that the Airwick Advanced says it is $5.99 in my store, but it is definitely not $5.99. It is $3.99. I even made sure at the register. In addition to that, we do have a $4 IBOTTA rebate. So, being $3.99 with that $4 IBOTTA rebate, it's going to make this first item a total freebie. And I love to get things like this because when I sell at the flea market or yard sales, this is an easy peasy item that I sell for $1. So these three items is part of the buy three, get a $10 gift card. And if you look at the principal breakdown, I have these items highlighted in blue. And remember, always do what's best for you and what you and your family need. So if you need, fabric softener, do that and see if there's coupons out there or Ibotta rebates, whatever works for you. Now, I know some people have the Downy Unstoppables on their Ibotta rebate. That may be a great alternative for you instead of getting these items. But this is going to be a great deal because we're going to be getting all three of these items for $8.46 or about $2.82 per item, which is awesome. All right, so the first deal we have is on the Airwick Essential Mist, and it's $11.99. I know a lot of my fellow couponers said there's a $6 coupon on the Target app. I don't have that $6 coupon. Maybe I used it in the past and that's why it's not on my app anymore. But please, please, please check your Target Circle app to see if you have a $6 coupon. What I do have is a $6 Ibotta rebate. So with that $6 Ibotta rebate, it's going to make it $5.99. Now, this is part of this buy three, get a $10 gift card. So I'm going to show you two more items that I'm going to be getting to get to that $10 gift card. Now, if you did have that $6 coupon and that $6 Ibotta rebate, it would make this item a total freebie, but please check and see if you do. If you do, will you let me know in the comments? Because I'm trying to see if it's just my account or if, what is it? So hopefully you have that $6 coupon as well as the Ibotta rebate. So the next
Next, we'll
item we're
pick
going
up
to be
the
getting
seventh
is on the
generation. This
seventh
is the power
generation. This
one.
is the
It's
Power. So this is
$12.99.
the
Now,
Power
there is a
detergent. Now,
Walgreens
the Power
deal.
detergent is a
So we're gonna
little
price
pricey.
match that
It's
Walgreens offer. The
$12.99 for
Walgreens
this,
offer is for
but you're not going
$3.49.
to be
So we're gonna
paying
be
that.
getting this for
You're going to
3.49.
price match
But
at
remember, we're still gonna be
Walgreens.
getting
So what you'll
that
do
buy
is you'll
three get a
open your
$10 gift
Walgreens
card.
app, you'll
Next, we'll
scan the
pick up the
seventh
seventh
generation.
generation. This is the
It's going to
power
show
one. It's
$3.49.
$12.99. Now,
So when you
there is
go
a
to the register,
Walgreens
show them
deal.
the price
So we're
match.
going to
They'll look
price
at it
match
and
that
they'll do the
Walgreens
Target
offer.
promise and they'll
The
bring this
Walgreens
down
offer is for
to $3.49.
$3.49.
So
So
there's
we're going to
no
be getting
deal
this for
on this, like there's
3.49.
no coupon
But
or
remember,
I
we're
bought a
still going to be
rebate,
getting
but
that buy three,
huge
get a $10
difference
gift card.
from $12.99 to $3.49. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to get the all free and clear. With the all free and clear, these are $11.99. On Ibotta, there's a $3 Ibotta rebate. So with that $3 Ibotta rebate, it's going to make the all free and clear $8.99. Now I plan on giving this to somebody for a baby shower gift this week. So this is always a great alternative to like the dress products because those can be pretty pricey. Now I do want to mention that on the printable breakdown, all these items here are going to be a blue highlighted color. And I also have these spend buy three get a $10 gift card on there as well. So with all three of these items, with the buy three, get a $10 gift card, the Airwick Essential Mist, the 7th Generation Power Detergent that's been price matched at Walgreens, and the All Free and Clear, with that $10 gift card, your total for all three of these items is going to be $8.46, which is a great deal. So $8.46 divided by three items is $2.82. But remember, if you have that $6 coupon for the Airwick Essential Mist, it's going to make this just $2.46. So let me know in the comments if you scored even better than I did. So there is a sale on L'Oreal products. They're 15% off. So this L'Oreal cream is usually $8.99. But with that 15% off, it's going to make it $7.64 for them. I'm really excited about this because this is the collagen moisture filler. And I'm always looking for something different, something new to try, especially for nighttime. So with that, you also might have a $4 coupon on your Target app. Check and let me know if you have that $4 coupon. I don't, but a lot of people said they did. So in addition to that $4 coupon you might have, which I don't, is a $5 Ibotta rebate. So that's a high valued Ibotta rebate. So with the 15% off, making it $7.64, and the $5 Ibotta rebate, this L'Oreal cream is going to be $2.64 for me. That's a good deal on this cream. This is something that I pick up every single time they have deals out. And this Tresemme hairspray is going to be just $1.82. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up three of these Tresemme hairsprays. They are $4.99. Your total will be $14.97. You're going to get back a $5 gift card after you buy three of these items. Your total will be $9.97. In addition to that, there is a $1.50 Ibotta rebate that you're going to get back on each one. So on Ibotta, you're going to get back $4.50. So with the gift card and the Ibotta rebate, you're going to spend $5.47 for all three of these. Next are the Nexus. These are the travel size Nexus. I'm really excited about these. We're going to be getting them for just 99 cents each. So what you're going to do is pick up four of these. They are $3.99. Your total will be $15.96. Because you picked up four of them, one of them is going to be free. So it's part of a buy three, get one free promotion. So at the register, you're going to pay $11.97 for all four. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each one. Remember, you bought four, so 4 times 2 is 8. You're going to get back that $8. Your total will be $3.97 or about 99 cents each. Now, I needed some of this CoverGirl eyeliner, and I always buy the Perfect Point Plus, so I'm in need of this. This is $6.49 for this eyeliner. There is an easy peasy $3 coupon on the Target app that you must attach. With that $3 coupon, it's going to make these $3.49. Now, if you're not picky about your eyeliner, they have a cheaper eyeliner that's like $5. So I'll make it like $1 or two for it, but I like this Perfect Point one. So I'm not going to get the cheaper eyeliner just because it'll be cheaper. I'm going to get the one that I use all the time. Now, I'm really excited about this next deal. This is on the Dollar Shave Club items, and we're going to be getting these for $2.74 each. So you're going to pick up one of the Dollar Shave Club razor handles. They're actually $8.99, not $9.99. That's a wrong label. So $8.99 for these. And then there is a $4 coupon for this that can be only used that one time on the Target app. But remember, we're going to pick up 2 products and we're going to get back $5 gift card. So this is what you're going to do. So you're going to pick up 2 of these Dollar Shave Club products. They're going to be $8.99 each. Your total is $17.98. Now we're going to pick up 1 handle and 1 refill. This is what you have to do. So with that 1 handle and 1 refill is $17.98. We're going to use that $4 coupon for the handle. And then we're going to use the $3.50 IBOTTA rebate on the refill. In addition to that, there is a $5 gift card we're going to get back because we bought 2 items. So with that $5 gift card, that $4 coupon, and that $3.50 back from Ibotta, the total is going to be $5.48 or $2.74 each. Now my store does not have the shaving lotion, and that's what I wanted to get. But if your store does have the shaving lotion, you could get a pretty good deal if your store has it. The next deal, my store does not carry this. This is on the Osana shampoo, conditioner, hair products. So this shampoo is $4.99. I do not have in store, like I said, but there is a $2.50 coupon on the Target app. That's going to make it at the register $2.49. In addition to that, there is a $2 Ibotta rebate. So with the coupon and the Ibotta rebate, it will make the Osana hair products 49 cents. Let me know if you carry this in your store, but we definitely don't. And I would be assuming it would be near like the Nexus hair care products if you do have it. All right, guys, that is all I have for you. That was 12 items. My total was about $100. And with that 10% off and everything else, I only spent $20 on all the items that you saw here in this video, which is an insane price. So walking in the store only paying $20 makes me so happy for all of these items. All right, guys, let me know if you made it to the end of this video by typing "end" in the comments, and I'll see you when we head to Publix on Wednesday. Have a blessed one.